Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick form video, and today we're talking about two new phones that are now available on Boost Mobile. So let's get into it, guys. First of all, if you want to support the channel, you can by checking out the description below. You can join Honey by using the link in the description below, and that will help the channel. It finds you the best promo codes on any popular shopping website, so check them out. Like I said, description below, so check them out. So now let's go ahead and go to phones, guys. Like I said, these are new phones that finally came out on Boost Mobile. You will see that they're pretty popular because they're already sold out. So here's the phones. Like I said, they're more down here. I already looked at it. So two new phones have joined the Boost Mobile phone lineup. As you can see, the Motorola G Stylus and the Samsung Galaxy A12, both out of stock. So both on sale, pretty good. So let's check them out. Both actually have pretty good, decent ratings. 3.5 stars out of 5 is not bad at all. So first, let's go ahead and check out the Moto G Stylus. This is probably the one that I was about to get, and it just became sold out. So can't get it until it comes back in stock. So look at this really nice phone. I'm telling you, man, people sleep on Motorola all the time. Check out this camera. It's 48 megapixel. Looks like. So yeah, I'm very excited to check this one out. So. Off the bat, you do get a hole punch front-facing camera, guys, which is real nice. Of course, you do get the stylus pen. I think this is really competing with the LG Stylo. So like I said, this is the Moto G Stylus. Pretty cool. So it says, make an impact in more ways than one. Introducing Moto G Stylus. Pop out the stylus when inspiration strikes or whenever you want more control than a touch, tap, or swipe. So it's pretty good. Like I said, these are always budget friendly. The Note series, if you want to buy, $1,000 or $1,200, a Note series phone from Samsung, then you probably want to go with a budget LG Stylo or the Moto G Stylus. So this is just the budget friendly side of it. It says you can retouch photos, jot notes, sketch artwork, and navigate apps with pinpoint precision. But there's more to Moto G Stylus than a stylus. Capture sharper, brighter photos from every perspective with a 48 megapixel quad camera. From ultra wide to way up close. Wow. Feel the instant response of a blazing fast processor. We gotta find out about that. And get up to 2 days of battery life. Like I said, Motorola is really known for their battery life, guys. I think every Motorola phone that comes out, they usually have like a 2 or 3 day battery life. They just love to promote that because who has time to slow down when you're making things happen? Pretty cool. So really big screen, 6.8 inch touchscreen display, 48 megapixel camera, 35 hours of talk time, 128 gigs of storage, and Android 10. So pretty cool. It says in control 1 point, the built-in stylus gives you pinpoint controls in a whole new way to express yourself. Way more accurate than your finger. You can edit photos, jot notes, sketch artwork, copy and paste text, markup screenshots, you name it. So pretty cool. It's just overall, it's a workhorse kind of phone for doing any kind of business stuff. So it's pretty cool. Even editing. So that's kind of like our department. The stylus is seamless integrated with the Moto Note app. So you can start writing without even unlocking your phone. So it's pretty cool. It even has a Moto Note app. The same thing like the Moto, the LG, and the Samsungs have their app, note-taking app. So it's pretty cool. Make every shot shine. It says with a 48 megapixel main sensor and quad pixel technology, Moto G Stylus delivers 4 times the low light sensitivity. Whoa. So this is not just a phone that has stylus. It's another phone that has a really good camera. You know me, I'm all about cameras. It says whenever you're shooting in less than perfect light, you'll get sharper and brighter 12 megapixel photos. So I guess the main camera is 48 megapixels, and then when you're like low light, you're gonna get 12 megapixels, which is still pretty good. Speed for today, storage for tomorrow. It says the Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 octa-core processor with 4 gigs of RAM. Pretty decent, it would be nice to see 6, but 4 I'll take. Moto G Stylus packs all the performance you need. Why waste time waiting for apps to load? Browse, watch, work, and game in an instant. Wow. Plus you get 128 gigabytes of, I don't know why they say gigabyte 2. Maybe that's typo. I don't know. So you never have to worry about room for photos, movies, games, music. So pretty cool. Here's some of the specs. Like I said, it does have a 4,000 milliamp battery. It's non-removable. It gives you about 35 hours of talk time, 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of ROM internal storage, and it does support a memory card or an SD card up to 512 gigabytes. Pretty cool. Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 octa-core, Android 10. Here's the cameras, guys. 48 megapixel rear facing camera, 8 megapixel wide lens, 2 megapixel depth lens, 2 megapixel macro lens, and a 16 megapixel front facing camera. So really good for selfies. Like I said, whoa, so it's really nice. It does give you a 1080p display, which is real nice. I like that. It is a 2400 by 1080p 20 by 9 aspect ratio, so you can see it's pretty long. It is USB Type-C, and what's pretty cool is it still has a headphone jack, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, stylus, fingerprint sensor, and face unlock. Guys, all this, I mean, no wonder this phone's already sold out. All this for $150 right now. Pretty crazy. I can't wait for it to come back in stock. I'm definitely going to get it. So for me, it's definitely a buy. Let's go ahead and check out the other phone real quick, which is the Galaxy A12. So this phone was a $180. You can get it for $100. So pretty cool. Does have a teardrop notch. So it's pretty cool. Does have the quad kind of camera setup. I still think the Motorola looks a little bit better. But like I said, let's just do a quick video and kind of check this phone out. So 6.5 inch, not bad. 16 megapixels, 34 hours of talk time, 32 gigs of storage, Android 10. So as you can see, the other one's 128. This is 32. I mean, for $100, I mean, you probably want to spend an extra, $50, maybe get the Moto G Stylus and get more storage. But when people are on a budget, this can help. So it's connecting with people and things you love is essential. So it keeps those memories close at hand. The Galaxy A12 gives you our sought-after multi-camera system at a fraction of the price. Pretty cool. Along with expandable storage, so you can't put a memory card. So like I said, pretty good all-day battery and all that good stuff. Power for all your photos. Whoa! So this phone even has more. Look at that, more battery than, or bigger battery, should I say, than the Motorola. That's crazy. Using Motorola, I would think so. This phone has a 5,000 milliamp battery, guys. Jeez, you'll be ready for anything, definitely. And when you don't have time to waste, fast charging, wow, in just a few minutes. So pretty cool, guys. I was kind of downplaying this phone, but I don't know, that 5,000 milliamp battery and fast charging, I don't know, might give the Moto G Stylus a run for its money. It says watch it back and say wow. So the A12 features a crisp edge-to-edge Infinity VHD Plus display. This phone probably has a 720p display. I'm guessing probably not the 1080. Multi-cameras, multi-ways to shine. Let's look at the specs real quick. Like I said, I don't want to make this video too long. 5,000 milliamp battery, 3 gigs of RAM compared to 4, 32 gigs internal storage, but you can put an SD card up to 1 terabyte, which is good for videos or photography. It does have a MediaTek Helio P35. I'm more of a Snapdragon guy, so the camera says a 16, a 5, a 2, and a 2 megapixel quad camera rear camera setup, and the front is an 8 megapixel front facing camera compared to like 16 and all that. So you can definitely tell the camera's more better on the Moto G Stylus, but like I said, for the budget, just think about it. It's 60 hertz on the display. It is a Type-C. It does have NFC, 3.5 millimeter headphone jacks, and fast charging. So not too bad overall. I think for the price, it's not bad at all for $100. But if you want a better phone, save up or just spend extra 50 or so bucks for the Moto G Stylus, So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you getting this phone or the Moto G Stylus? Let me know. Like I said, I personally will go with Motorola on this one, but you never know. So thank you.